What is leadership? Leadership is the art of motivating or guiding or influencing the behavior of a group of people to act toward achieving a common goal. Leadership is the ability of a manager to encourage the subordinates or the team to work with confidence and enthusiasm. What do great leaders do? Great leaders don't set out to be a leader, they set out to make a difference. It's never about the role that they play, but it is always about the goal that they have to accomplish. Characteristics of a good leader. A good leader should have confidence, honesty, clear goals, good example, vision, clear communication, positive attitude, should be creative, decision making capability should be there in a good leader, empathy, good leader should be able to inspire others, good leader should focus on team interest and needs of the team. One of the important qualities of a good leader is confidence. Good leader should say, I can and I will do something. Having confidence means that the leader is willing to take risks to achieve the goals. It is the responsibility of the leader to keep the morale of the team high, and for this, confidence is required. Honesty is important quality which makes a good leader. A good leader should always tell the truth to all the people and in every situation. Honesty is the foundation quality for trust and is necessary for the success of any leader. An honest leader succeeds when they stick to their word. जब वो अपनी बातों पर अड़े रहते हैं, ऑनेस्टी के साथ अपना जीवन लीड करते हैं, live by the core values and lead others by setting an example. Good leaders are focused and have clear goals. They view a situation as a whole and are able to narrow down the cause of any problem. कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो उसका सॉल्यूशन और उस प्रॉब्लम को ढूंढने में सफलता प्राप्त करते हैं, वो ही गुड लीडर्स होते हैं. A good leader has to set a good example to inspire others to follow him. As a leader, think positive, stay calm under pressure, and keep the motivation level of the team high. Good leaders create a vision, express that vision passionately, and relentlessly drive it to completion. Good leaders एक विजन को क्रिएट करते हैं, उस विजन के पीछे बिल्कुल दिल दिमाग से लग जाते हैं और जब तक वो विजन कंप्लीट नहीं होता तब तक शांति से नहीं बैठते हैं. They have a clear idea about something in their mind, and with dedication and planning, they achieve that idea or goal. For good leadership skills, good communication skills are very important. The best leaders strive to speak effectively and persuasively. जो अच्छे लीडर्स होते हैं बहुत अच्छी तरह से बोलते हैं और ऐसे बोलते हैं कि लोगों को परसुएट कर सके गोल्स अचीव करने के लिए. Ability to use simple words in public speaking, listening empathetically, लोगों को ध्यान से सुनना, giving constructive feedback, illustrating through actions, all make a good leader. To keep the team motivated, a leader should have positive attitude. A team leader has to keep office mood a fine balance between productivity and playfulness, और वो तभी हो सकता है जब लीडर का एटीट्यूड पॉजिटिव हो. Creativity distinguishes between a leader and a follower. क्रिएटिविटी एक फॉलोअर और लीडर में अलग क्या है वो बताती है. गुड लीडर्स जो होते हैं वो क्रिएटिव होते हैं. A good leader must be creative and innovative to make his team stand out from the crowd. A leader should be able to think out of the box, should come up with unique ideas and turn those ideas into reality. लीडर वो होता है जो आइडियाज, यूनिक आइडियाज, क्रिएटिव आइडियाज को रियलिटी में बदलने की क्षमता रखता है. A leader should have the ability to take the right decisions at the right time. लीडर वो होते हैं जो सही समय पे सही डिसीजन लेते हैं. Decisions taken by the leaders have great effect on people, so they should think about the positive and negative consequences of their decisions before deciding upon something. जो भी डिसीजंस लीडर लेते हैं उनके पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव इफेक्ट्स होते हैं, इसलिए लीडर्स को सोच समझ कर डिसीजन लेना चाहिए. A good leader should have empathy for others and should be able to support people. Empathy is the ability to understand or feel what other people are experiencing. Empathy वो एबिलिटी होती है गुड लीडर की जिससे वो अंडरस्टैंड कर सकता है, दूसरों के सुख या दुख को एक्सपीरियंस कर सकता है, फील कर सकता है. लीडर्स शुड अंडरस्टैंड द प्रॉब्लम्स एंड पेन ऑफ देयर फॉलोअर्स. A true leader should support the hopes, dreams and needs of the people who follow him and should build a personal connection with others. True leader वो होता है जो दूसरों के सपने, दूसरों की खुशियाँ, दूसरों की ज़रूरतों को सपोर्ट करे, अपने फॉलोअर्स की खुशियों को सपोर्ट करे और उनके साथ एक पर्सनल कनेक्शन बिल्ड कर सके. Another quality that defines a good leader is the ability to encourage team to focus on the goal. गुड लीडर वो होते हैं जो दूसरों को इंस्पायर कर सकें, प्रेरित कर सकें अब गोल पे फोकस करने के लिए, गोल को अचीव करने के लिए. A good leader has to find ways to inspire his team. It is the job of the leader to keep the spirits of his team up by appreciating them and by using words of encouragement for their hard work. ये काम होता है एक लीडर का, एक अच्छे लीडर का ये काम होता है कि वो अपने टीम के अच्छे काम के लिए उन्हें अप्रिशिएट करे और उनको एनकरेज करे कि वो अपना अच्छा काम बनाए रखें. A good leader should focus on team interest and the needs of the team. Leaders guide teams through challenges and are always on the lookout for a solution. They know how to lead the team during a crisis. Good leader वो होते हैं जो अपनी टीम को आगे बढ़ाते हैं, कोई भी परेशानी हो उसका सॉल्यूशन ढूंढते हैं और टीम के इंटरेस्ट में काम करते हैं. Thanks for watching the video. Do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.